Living in halls has been literally great because it's a student village. It has everything that I needed. I love spending time in my room. It's comfortable and I just flop on my bed at the end of the day and it's just like a soft cloud. And then I also go food shopping. Sometimes I go to Tesco near here, but I do go to the stores, and there's a uni shop on campus too. And then I love to cook. I love cooking meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I do my laundry around 2 times a week. It's circuit laundry, so you do have to pay. So I just bulk up. Then I also socialize with friends. I watch movies with them. I go to the hub and play pool sometimes, play table tennis, but mostly I'm a movie kind of girl. I study a lot. I do medical sciences. Studying is a part of the experience. I'm not really a person for nights out. Going to a restaurant for a night out, definitely. Yeah, most of the time I go out to Cardiff, which is not far from Halls, it's 20 minutes. Or I do sometimes join my friends at the pub, have my Coke Zero. And then local coffee shops. Sometimes I would go to Costa in Pontypridd. I go to the library quite often, but I do like studying in my room. I like the comfort. I can blast music in my ears. And then I also do a lot of exercise.